Hey, it's me, Obi Odie in Yodiville, with an example of how fireworks can go really bad really quick.
Oh, it's going to be right there. You cannot stick it in the ground. It's not going to work.
Who did that?
You got to put it in the shoe.
Have you ever seen a teeter-totter used with a bull? Well, check out this Toro totter.
Now here's the thing. The guy on the opposite side can set him up. Now right now it's Team White. We're going to drop that down a little bit.
Do you ever have a day where nothing seems to go right? Hey, have you ever seen a smaller aerobics instructor? Remember, it is always very important to maintain good grooming. Oops, I guess it's time to hightail it out of here. See you next time in Yodiville. Bye.